Art. What is art? It's such a small phrase for something so expansive. You could say it's beauty, or expression, or technique. But for me, I think it's more human than that. It's an artist saying, this is how the world feels to me, and trusting that someone else might understand, even if it's just for a moment. And when hundreds of artists gather in that spirit and meet thousands of art lovers year after year under these tents, well, that's a celebration of fine art.